Some plants can survive without direct sunshine. Shade is really quite beneficial for many annuals, perennials, and tropicals. These floral plants thrive in partial shade and will brighten up any area that needs it, whether it's a dark location in your yard or under a big tree. Number 1. Bleeding Heart. A big helping of bleeding heart will brighten up the gloomiest parts of your garden. A little teardrop sits at the base of each heart-shaped flower that grows on arching branches of these tough shade perennials. Bleeding heart is known for its beautiful flowers and its attractive, ferny, blue-green foliage. This easy care plant enters a dormant period between mid and late summer, after which it emerges in the spring. Number 2. Astilbe. You can count on these hardy perennials to bloom all summer long in damp shadow, and they'll reward you with delicate flower heads. The rounded, fern-like foliage of these plants is lovely even when they aren't in blossom. In late spring or early summer, you may usually find Astilbe flowers, which can be any color from white to red to pink to orange to violet. Number 3. New Guinea Impatiens. An annual plant that is essential to every shade garden, New Guinea Impatiens is known for its large, vibrant blossoms. When they're mature, they bring a plethora of brilliant color to the shadows in your garden. You can get dark green leaves with crimson veins, or green and cream leaves. Although you may start by sowing seeds of New Guinea Impatiens, there's no better time than spring to purchase young plants from a garden center. Number 4. Viola. It is always a joy to see violas in bloom in a shaded border garden. As you approach these cheerful spring flowers, it's as if they're grinning at you. In the fall and winter, violas bloom an almost limitless supply of vibrant, eye-catching blossoms. Bay-color flowers in various shades of white, blue, purple, yellow, orange, red, or lilac are shown by the majority of cultivars, though the colors might vary. Number 5. Wishbone Flower. Throughout the summer, this diligent plant produces a spectacular display of trumpet-shaped flowers that resemble jewels. When it gets hot in warm climates, older types will pout, but fresher ones will keep blooming. If you want more blooms, remove the old ones. Number 6. Lungwort. As soon as the leaves begin to grow, the plants will send up attractive, bell-shaped stalks adorned with pink flowers. As the blossoms develop into different hues of baby blue, you may notice that some of the stalks have both pink and blue flowers. This perennial is resistant to wildlife and will spread gently throughout your garden. Number 7. Hosta. For gardens that get some shade, hostas are a great choice. You may create a dynamic display by mixing and matching their leaves, which come in a range of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the middle of summer until the fall, several hosta species also produce fragrant blooms, often white or lavender. Number 8. Leopard's Bane. As spring begins, Leopard's Bane, a perennial plant in the aster family, begins to bloom with a shower of daisy-like flowers that are a brilliant yellow. If you have spring-flowering bulbs like scilla, daffodils, or tulips, this enthusiastic perennial would be the perfect partner for them. Deadheading its spent blossoms can encourage more blooming in the fall. Number 9. Hellebore. The hellebore, often known as the Lenten rose, is one of the first perennials to flower in the spring, frequently before the snow has melted. Almost every variety of this practically unbreakable shade garden plant produces exquisitely etched contrasting colored blooms that face downward and can be white, pink, green, or purple. Even though most types only have one flower, there are a handful that have stunning double blooms. Number 10. Toad Lily. You wouldn't think a hardy perennial with a name like toad lily would be very attractive. Yet in late summer, it transforms into a prince with his abundance of purple spots on his jewel-like white blossoms. The toad lily is able to bloom even in completely shaded areas, and it will gradually become a carpet of late-season color as it naturally fills in a limited space. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.